Hi everyone and welcome to the Chef's Kitchen, where Ingles caters some of the best events anywhere. I'm Josh Michael here with Chef Kale, and today we're going to be showing you how to make some amazing food right there in your home. Chef Kale, welcome, and what are we doing here today?
We're going to do a sour cream coffee cake.
Sour cream coffee cake, that sounds good. You got family coming over, you
That's
got
right, a brunch.
Friends, yeah, there you
Absolutely.
go. Awesome.
So we're going to start with the topping.
Okay,
All right. So in there is some cinnamon and some flour.
Cinnamon and flour, all right, we're going to throw it in here.
Absolutely.
Okay, all right.
Some sugar in there.
Easy enough.
Our chopped pecans.
Chopped pecans, that looks good.
You're going to have a bundt pan.
All right.
Go ahead and stir all that together.
Excellent.
And we're just going to do a thin layer on top. You're not going to use all of it. You're going to use some of it for your garnish when it comes out of the oven.
All right.
So go ahead and layer that in there.
All right.
So while you're doing that, I'm going to start the cake. Now this is a standard procedure. It's called the creaming method in the culinary world.
Okay.
Always start with butter.
Is that all right?
You're going to cream in your sugar. Perfect.
Okay. Don't forget the different ingredients and all the amounts. They're online at thechefskitchen.com.
So you're going to go into pale yellow.
Okay.
That looks about right.
Very nice.
So when you're doing your eggs, and I don't know why I do this, it's just a habit, but I always put my vanilla in my eggs.
Okay.
I don't know why.
Yeah.
Start doing it, it's fun. So you always add eggs to anything that you're making, cookies, cakes, anything, one at a time, because it incorporates it better and it gets air in it.
Okay, one at a time.
Yep.
Excellent.
Here's one. Let her get beat up pretty good. And two.
Excellent.
Okay? So now you have all your sifted dry ingredients, your baking powder, baking soda, salt, and then you have your sour cream.
Excellent.
What you're going to want to do is incorporate it half and half.
Half and half, yep, I see. Okay, yep.
Okay?
Get it nice and mixed in there.
Right. So after all of that,
Oh, it's looking good. Starting to look like
Absolutely.
more like a...
like a batter,
Yep.
keep going.
And there's sour
cream.
Yeah.
And if you don't have a stand mixer at your house, you can use a hand mixer, and that'll work just fine.
Rest that sour cream in there. Excellent.
So once we get all this mixed in, you have an oven going at 350 degrees.
350 degrees, okay.
So 30 minutes solid. So you do not want to be opening your oven. I had to make this twice because I kept opening it and it fell.
You got to have all that heat really in
Right.
there. Okay,
so
excellent.
we're going to add this to this.
Excellent. Throw it in the oven.
Throw it in the oven.
Magical TV kitchen, and look at that.
Boom. Just some
sour
simple
cream.
Sour cream coffee cake. Simple whipped cream on there. Perfect for brunches. It's awesome.
Telling you what, your friends are going to love you. Thanks so much
Absolutely.
for joining us here at the Chef's Kitchen. For more great recipes and to learn about having the Chef's Kitchen cater your next event, visit thechefskitchen.com. We'll see you next time.